guys, we're embarking on this adventure right now. Not really sure what's gonna happen or how things are gonna go. Hey, what is up guys? I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone who subscribed recently. I just hit 200 subscribers on my channel, and I know that that is like nothing as far as YouTube goes, but it really means a lot to me, and it shows that you guys care about what I'm doing, and that kind of motivates me to make more videos. So thank you guys for that. Wow, 100,000 subscribers. A couple years ago, it just seemed like such an insurmountable goal, and it seemed like no matter what I did, it was just barely out of my reach, but we finally did it. I can't even believe that I'm sitting here making this video, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for being part of this. Anybody who subscribes to my channel, anyone who's ever commented or given me thumbs up, I just appreciate that so much. And this channel's just been such a big blessing to me. It's taken me out of my comfort zone. I've been able to travel all over the country. I've met some amazing people in the process. I've made some lifelong friends, so I'm just so grateful for this opportunity that I have here on YouTube. So leave a comment down below, let me know what your favorite video of mine was. And guys, I'm telling you, this is just the beginning. We're just getting started here, and I really feel like the best content is yet to come. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much for being part of my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.